Good morning, welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we are here once again to provide you with variable football predictions. So today we are using Mega Parry to select our today game. And then if you have not joined Mega Parry, I will leave the link in the comment section. So go ahead and register. It's very simple. And then deposit. When you deposit, you have 200% sign up bonus and other privileges. Okay, for example, if you deposit 5,000 naira, you get 5,000 naira in bonus. Okay, moving on. I've selected this game already. I will also paste the booking code for this game here and also in the comment section. So if you have watched this video till this moment, kindly hit a like and then comment Mega Parry in the comment section. Then I will leave you with the booking code. Okay, guys, this is how you load booking code on Mega Parry. Just click on this red circle here. Once you click on the red circle, you see top up account. That is when you want to deposit. Then accumulator of the day, they also have a pre-selected matches for you. So if you click accumulator of the day, you see their own predictions. If you like, you can play it, you can edit it in your to your own taste and then play them. Then also search event, you can search any event that you want to you are looking for. Then create best sleep is when you have selected your game and you want to um, uh, create a booking code. And then if you have a booking code already, which I have, you can then click on load best sleep. So that is what I will do now. Load best sleep. This is the booking code for this game. I've selected already 21 orders in total, 9 matches, over 2.5 goals all through. Okay, these are the game, and today game I will stake today game with 100,000 naira, and then that will give me about 2 million, 2.1 million naira in winning. So hopefully this game will scale through, then we have something to rejoice this over this weekend. Okay guys, the first game we have here is a game between Horn taking on Last Link in the international club friendly over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is between IA Alcranes taking on HK Kopovogo in the Iceland division over 2.5 goals. Next one we have is a game between Poke taking on Hibernian in the international club friendly over 2.5 goals. Matlock Town taking on Chesterfield over 2.5 goals international friendly. Afritown taking on Sheffield Wednesday over 2.5 goal international friendly. Then Intrash Mansdorf taking on uh, FSV 63 uh, over 2.5 goals. Then the next one we have is again between Zawiza taking on Wiskele in the international cup friendly over 2.5 goals. Monaco taking on Servette over 2.5 goals. Elzebeti taking on uh, Kerureti. My prediction here is over 2.5 goals. That's all we have for today. So if you have not joined Mega Parry, kindly register and then make your deposit, and then enjoy all the benefit that they have for you. Okay guys, I've made a video yesterday regarding how to register on Mega Party. So if you don't know how to register, check this down below this uh, page or this YouTube channel, and you see that video. You watch it carefully, you will be able to register if you find any difficulty registering. But the registration process is quite simple. Put your phone number, your email address, then activate your account by using inserting the OTP code that they send to you, then you are done. Then the next step is for you to deposit. Thank you so much, guys, and then have a lovely day. And then I will leave the booking code of this game in the comment section. Thank you once again. Let me go ahead and stake my own game. I said earlier I will stake my own game with 100,000 naira to win 2.1 million naira. So that is it. I've created my own bet. This is my best slip here. I won yesterday game. I stake 100,000 naira to 170,000 naira. So this is another day again to make some money. So go ahead and play this game. Thank you so much, very responsibly, and I'll see you guys next time.